Okay, so let's review what Mrs. Murphy said. Tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we're going to do math centers, one every day. The first math center is the M1, which is a bump game. And I'm going to teach you how to play these bump games because you will be playing these throughout second grade at the math centers. So in a minute, I will teach you on the rug how to play this bump game. However, you will be playing with a partner, or there might be a group of 3 of you at the side table, or sometimes if that side table gets crowded, you can always go on the floor by the side table, like by Mrs. Murphy's desk, right in that area, okay? So the M center for math, which is manipulatives, is you're going to play the bump game. At your seat, I have changed it. You are not going to be doing number scrolls at your seat because so many of you are having problems like getting started, and then you would come ask Mrs. Murphy. So I have something different this week. This week you're going to do a subtraction of doubles. So exactly what we learned today. You are going to have this sheet, and you will have to subtract, for example, 16 minus 8. Raylan, what is that? 8. So you'll write an 8 there, and then you'll color that whole section. The 8 is orange. So if you can color that whole section orange, once you answered it, okay? And the key is up here. If your answer is a 3, you color it pink. If it's a 8 or 4, you're going to color it orange. If it's a 5, it's a yellow. If it's a 7 or 9, it's a light blue. And if it's a 6 or 1, it is a white. Do you have to color white? No, you probably wouldn't have to color white, but you certainly can if you want to. Now, sometimes at math centers, you won't get this done. This might take you more than just your math center time. If you would like, after you get done with your math center and you try really hard to get as much done as you can work on it during snack time for the week. And if you turn it in by the end of the week, you'll get like a treat or something on your, usually it's like a treat, like a gum or something on your paper for working hard and getting it done, okay? So this is gonna be at your desk, and if you wanna partner up, so let's say Ingrid and Addie, if you guys wanna work together at your desk by each other tomorrow, you can do that, as long as you're at a 0 or a 1, okay? And Eli and Raylan, you can do the same thing. If you wanna do it by yourself, you can do it by yourself, okay? So when you're at your desk, I'm gonna let you work with a partner that is in your group if you want, okay? Libby.
What if you get it done today?
Well, we're not gonna hand them out today. It'll start tomorrow. Then you'll get a treat, but not till the end of the week, because I'll collect everybody's, and then I'll give you everybody a treat. Okay? That completes it. So, Lydia's asking, if I turn this in tomorrow, do I get a treat right away? No, you're gonna wait till the end of the week. I'm gonna wait till everybody's been to that center and everyone's had a chance to turn it in. So that I'll give you a chance to turn it in before I give out the treats, okay? Briley.
Then it could be fair then.
Then it'd be fair, exactly. All right, add the teacher group. This is where you're gonna do corrections with Mrs. Murphy, and once you get your corrections done, then you'll work on your number scroll with me. And then the last one is going to be IXL, and that again is at the purple rug. And I have all of your E's and your F's to work on this week. So anything that is highlighted, that is an E or F, I want you to work on and try to get as many done as you can. And I'll get up that IXL chart to show you how many skills you've mastered. I'll try to get that up within the next couple days, okay? Brooklyn, question?
Will you give everyone the same thing before they don't fight, and then you'll ask people for can I have it,
Yes. Yep.
Right. Are we gonna do this today? Because it says Tuesday.
But today is Monday. So we'll start them tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, we
All right.
get to go right to sleep.
Addie.
When are we gonna do then at the red room?
At what?
At the red room. You're doing the color pink.
Okay. Ingrid, I'm going to have you hold this. So tomorrow, Addie,
Yeah.
you are going to do, at your desk, you're going to do this coloring sheet.
Yeah, but what should we do today?
Today, I'm just introducing the centers. Okay? Can you turn around? All right, everybody turn around and face the center of the rug. Ingrid, can you just hold that so your friends at home can know how to play bump? And you need to back up. So you're on the edge of the rug. Okay, is that okay, Ingrid? Okay, now, we will be playing these bump games a lot in 2nd grade because they're fun. One of the games is going to be a doubles. Okay, one is a doubles game. So, Ingrid, can you show it down a little bit more? Perfect. Can you just like that? Back up, please. So look here, guys. You will be playing a doubles game. So you are gonna roll the dice, and whatever it lands on, you're gonna add that as a double. Now, one dice is a 6-sided dice, and that is a normal dice. So watch. Mrs. Murphy has a normal 6-sided dice, and one is supposed to be a 10. But guess what? I don't have a 10. I have an 8, or I have a 12. Mrs. Murphy doesn't have a 10. So you are gonna have to decide as your group which one you wanna use. I would use the bigger one. And if you happen to roll 11 or a 12, guess what I would do? Re-roll. So we're going to use this one to show you how to play bump, okay? Brooklyn's going to be my partner. And we need one dice. And this one's going to use the 10 or the 12. And remember, if we get 11 or 12, we're going to ignore it. Brooklyn, which color would you like to be?
I would like to be white.
Okay. So she picks one color, I pick one color. Now, what Brooklyn does, I'm gonna let her go first because I'm gonna be thoughtful and kind, is she's gonna roll her dice. And Ingrid, just move your finger, Tad. Okay. Ingrid is gonna hold that, Brooklyn's gonna roll it. She gets a 1. So now she has to add 1 plus 1 because it's a double. What do you get?
Nice 2.
2. So she takes one of her cubes and puts it on the 2. Now Mrs. Murphy's gonna go, and I got 11. What do I have to do, guys?
Ignore it.
Ignore it, roll again. I got a 7. Okay, so I gotta think. 7 plus 7.
It's 14.
Go to your desk, please. Ow. Is 14. So Mrs. Murphy will take one of my cubes, and I'll put it on the 14. Okay, now Brooklyn goes again. 8.
She got an
8 plus 8. Brooklyn, what is that?
It's 16.
Okay, put it on there. Now it's Mrs. Murphy's turn. 1. 1 plus 1 is
2. There's no 2.
Guess what I get to do?
Yeah, you get to boot Brooklyn
I get to bump Brooklyn off. Guess why I get to bump her? Because she only has 1, and she's not kinged or queened yet. Boys are king, girls are queens. So I get to bump her off and say, sorry, see ya. It's okay, you'll probably bump me off too. Okay, roll again.
Come on,
Oh,
Brooklyn.
not that far, Brooklyn, okay? 8. 8. What is 8 plus 8?
16.
Guess what she gets to do?
Bump
She gets to bump me off.
Yeah.
So bump me off.
No, that's me.
Oh, that's you. I was thinking that was me. So guess what she gets to do?
She gets to king herself.
She gets to be kinged or queened. So Brooklyn, put 2 on top. No, put it like on top like this. And do you see how she's got 2 on top? She's the queen, and she cannot get bumped off. So once you are king or queen, boys are king, girls are queens, you can't get bumped off. So if Mrs. Murphy were to roll an 8, let's just pretend I roll an 8, and I get 8 plus 8 is 16, can I put 1 down?
No.
No, I don't get to put 1 down. Okay? So you will keep playing until all of these are either kinged or queened, or until the time is up, and then you'll count to see who has the most kings or queens. Okay, does anyone have any questions on how to play the bump game?
Not me, because I'm not even in that group.
Okay, well, everybody will go to this game this week, so I hope you know how to play it so that you don't have to come and ask Mrs. Murphy for directions again. Okay, thank you, Ingrid.